Welcome back everyone to today's video, looking at the weather for the next couple of weeks and looking at the possible of another cold spell as we go into October. So the current central England temperature is sitting at 14.3 degrees and that is 0.7 degrees above average, so we are actually quite close to average now. It'll probably drop a bit more and it's going to be quite a close one by the end of the month, but we'll still probably just finish above average, but not by much at all. Okay, because these constant northerlies what we've been seeing, and if we see another one, it is a chance that the winter could be a bit cold. So let's show you some data now. Okay, so this is how the GFS6 said. It's looking, this is the current situation. This low pressure is going to be coming in. We're going to be going more wet and mild over the next couple of days. So high pressure is the yellows, orange and red. Low pressure is the greens and blues. We are currently going to have this low pressure pushing in, bringing some settled weather before calming down maybe in the week and towards the weekend, and then going very unsettled towards the weekend, a bit milder. And then we actually start building high pressure over Greenland once again. Start dragging the wind in from the north. But by the end we got more unsettled weather off the Atlantic, bringing us milder as well. And that is how we finish, like that. Okay, that was the latest GFS. Now let's have a look at the ECMWF. Once again, start off similar. We run through, once again unsettled there, but a bit drier through the week. And then once again by the weekend unsettled again from the west. But by the end we're not really getting a bit of a tropical storm there. We'll have to keep an eye on that. By the end, we're starting to bring the wind in from the north, but not as much as the GFS was. With that one. Here's the GEM. Starting off with the wind from the west, southwest. We have the high pressure building over the country. And we do get high pressure going over Greenland with this one retrogressing up here. High pressure strengthened. Polar vortex is also getting going up there. And by the end, we are dragging the wind in from a northerly direction. Upper air temperatures look like this before that point. 1 minute, once we get them up. By the end, you can see that colder air moving in just there. The -5, -10 going over the north. They'll be going into Scandinavia, I think, with that colder on the way. And we'll have a look at the temperature deviation in a second. Let's just get that. Okay, and as you can see, that will be much colder than average with that. But even over in Iceland, some purple as well. That looks a bit colder just there. Just like we are at the minute as well. And then we go milder just there. And then we get the winds around from the north again and we start going colder like that. So the GFS and samples for the next couple of weeks. Starting off below average. This red line here is 30-year average just there. We're going to be dropping below that over the next couple of days slightly and then rising above before going below average once again. A very cooler trend into the second half of the month. And finally finishing off with the ECMWF on samples. For the 5th of October, we look like this. High pressure over Greenland, low pressure in the Atlantic, winds in from the southwest. That's the control run and operational run 13. Once again, most of these are all the same. Let's move forward to the 8th. We've got high pressure blocking over Greenland with 20 members, control and operational run. Winds in, getting in from the north. winds in from the north of 16, 15 have winds in from the south. So up to 12, we look like this once again. High pressure blocking over Greenland with 14, the operational run, northerly winds. Northerly winds with 13, 10's got easterly winds. 6, and the control run's got southwesterlies. 5 has got easterlies, and another 3 have got northerlies like that. And finally, all the way up to the 14th of October, blocking with 14 operational run northerly winds. Northwesterlies with 13. 10, we've got westerlies, like that. 6, we've got westerlies, over Scandinavia, easterlies. And 3, high pressure in the Atlantic, and we've got northerlies. Looking likely we are going to go colder again into October, but that's all for today. Thanks everyone for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.